Alright, so this video will do an overall introduction for about how to use the Photo Studio in Coohom. Alright, so yeah, what is the Photo Studio? Yeah, we can check that Photo Studio, which is based on professional product shooting tool, and we can use the Photo Studio to help us to do the quick rendering for about the product, and for enterprise and home finishing enterprise that need to produce marketing materials, so which can use the Photo Studio to quickly get that. And in the Photo Studio, which contain thousands of studios, and we can do the faster rendering than the traditional way. All right, so maybe we can just switch to Coohom and let us check. All right, so this is about Coohom backend, and we can just find the Photo Studio and wait, just click the product. Yeah, so this is about the Photo Studio backend page. Okay, and what do we need to do? And what is about the overall operation process for us to do the Photo Studio shooting? So firstly, we need to do some prepare. So what do we need to do? What do we need to prepare? It should be the main product. Yeah, we must choose the models which we wanted to do the Photo Studio shooting. Okay, and then we need to choose the appropriate studios, and in the meantime, so we can shoot the images or videos and then do rendering. Yeah, actually, before we do the shooting images, we can do some texture change, some lighting change, and to do some model position change. Actually, it's more like we can do an overall design change. And then we can do a rendering. And after we get the corresponding render image or render video, we can do some poster processing. Yeah. All right, so let me just show it to us how to do that. Okay, actually just in here, and I need to click add product, and I can find the corresponding product which I wanted to do the Photo Studio in here. So for example, I wanted to add maybe add one chair in here, so a chair here, and we confirm. So this model will add it to Photo Studio and prepare to be shoot. And these models we need to upload in our backend first so that we can add to here. Okay, and this is about how to add the product to Photo Studio, and let's check the permission and set consumption logic. So first about permission settings. So if we are using the admin account, so we need to set the permission. But if we are using is about sub account, so we need to use admin account and find the sub account and open and turn on the permission for the corresponding sub account. So I can show the choice, find access management, and choose the corresponding sub account and to turn on the Photo Studio access, so that this sub account can use the Photo Studio tool. All right, and the next is about consumption of access. So one is about shooting components, and one is about video components. So for the shooting components, just for the normal rendering image. So the product can shoot many times for different studios, but only cost one component. But for the videos, it's totally different. Every single video will cost one component. So yeah, we need to know the difference between consumption of assets in here. And also can let us check where we can check about account details. Just in here, account details, and we can check assets. So we can check how many compass we have, how many video compass we have. All right, yeah. And we also can check the consumption list in here. Yeah, that's about all the details for about assets. And then, yeah, I think I have already shown, the product preparing here. And then, we need to, after we add product to PhotoStudio, so we need to, choose the appropriate, studios. So let me just switch to Coohom. So for example, this one, I click Studio. So in this page, I can directly to find the appropriate studio project, to do the shooting. So for example, I'd like to use this. I'd like to use this studio project to do the shooting. So I just click photo. All right, so just in here in the left, it was showing original studio project contains, which include this project mainly product in here. So in the right corner, this one should be our targeted product, which need to do the shooting. So we can quickly just click shooting now, but actually we can do some settings. We can do some settings. So here we have two basic settings. One is, adjust and shoot all. One analyze just editor. Actually they're same. But based on this, we all have just two. One is traditional adjusting tool analysis, the new adjusting tool. Okay, and I will show that one by one. So first, let us get to the setting page. So I will click adjust and shoot, and go to the old adjusting tool. And wait for a moment. All right, so we all can check that we have already entered to this page and how we can do some settings in here. So firstly, it will show some operational guidance. So we can use this in the keyboard, and also combine with the mouse and to control. Actually, in the setting page, it is a design project. We can do the settings. So the first thing we need to do is about find a appropriate camera angle, and we need to replace the original default model. So I need to delete that. For example, I wanted to delete these two and calling our product. Calling our product and put it to here. Okay, so yeah, this is about how we can quickly to modify the main product in here. And also in the next, yeah, we can just click, yeah, click to change the shooting camera. So we just enter to here. So in this page, we can adjust the camera by the mouse and to make sure what kind of contents we wanted to shoot. So yeah, we can adjust like this, and then we can move to another views and to adjust and make sure our camera is shooting about our product. All right, and after we modify this, we can directly to shoot to do rendering. Yeah, but it is okay. Yeah, we can still can go back to studio. Yeah, we can save this operation. And at the meantime, we can, after we, for example, we have already modified everything here, and we can call in some, we also can call in some extra models from public library or call in some extra things from enterprise library. And also we can, if you click the ground, click the wall or click the ceiling, we all can do some settings. We all can do some settings for this. And so for example, after we modify all the settings, include the wall, ceiling, and the ground, and the most important, the shooting models, and then we can save these studios, and we can save as this studio as private studio. So let me save it. And I want to save as new studio, and I can give it a name, a new name. Give it a new name. All right, and then we can shoot, we can exit now and to the. So when we exit, so the system will automatically give us the shooting video pass, and the shooting video pass, the logical will be similar. Yeah, about these pass settings. Their settings are similar as the rendering, about the tool rendering. So currently I will not extend about this. So we will, the most things we need to focus is about, here we have a new function, it's about sunlight moving. It's about sunlight moving. So we can open it and enter to the sunlight moving, turn on the sunlight. So here, I just want to let us know this sunlight moving only shows on the video. It only influence for the video. It will not influence for the rendering image. So we turn on it and modify the brightness, modify the color for the sun, and modify the pitch angle for the sun. Okay, so this one, the location is very important. So we can settings the moving length for the sunlight. For example, I wanted the sunlight moving from A to B. Okay, let us check. So what we're doing in here. So we, from the preview in here, we can check that. Now we'll quickly sunlight moving. Yeah, quickly sunlight moving in here. So if you wanted to showing the sunlight moving in the camera pass, in the video pass, so we can do like this, and also we can apply to all licenses, and we can check. From the preview, we can check that they have a very clear shadow and brighter change. Yeah, that's about the sound change, sound life change. And meantime, we can add, in order to make the video more colorful, we can add some background video. Yeah, it's up to ourselves. And only in Coohom system, we have 6 choices in here. All right, and after we do that, we can confirm to build. Okay, so firstly, as I said, the video, every single video will cost the video components, So that means we need to, it will cost many when you run the video. It must will cost the component. And the exposure model. So the suggestion is to use Reinhardt. It's more better. It will more better than the linear. All right. And the default resolution is about 1080p. All right. So just convert that. Just convert that. So the video will run. And also, before we do that, before we finish all the video path settings, we can save the path of video. So this video path will save. This video path will save. So the next time when we open this corresponding studio project, so the video path will automatically follow this studio project. Wait a second. All right, so let's go back to here, and this is about how we can run the video, and So let me go back to Editor Studio, and let's go to shoot the normal image. So in previous I've already changed the camera in here, so it will automatically save in here. So if you wanted to shoot in here, so same logical, I click confirm. So it will show in here. And also my suggestion is to choose Reinhardt and reduce our noise and add garlic. We all can choose this and to click shoot. Or also we can save the studio and shoot. That's the same. All right, so this is about the traditional way for us to do that. And let me exit that. Exit that. And just exit. All right, so I just introduced the traditional way, and I also need to introduce the new way for us to do the video studio settings. Actually we have more. We have also have a new function for us. That means we can we can do extra lighting settings in the photo studio. So here we can check. Here we have some buttons difference in here. So we can check that this page is difference to the traditional page. So yeah, we can check here if we have more choices in here. Dimming. Yeah, we can go to dimming. And this page is totally same as the yeah rendering in the floor plan in the design tool. Yeah, so yeah, if you wanted to do the rendering settings, render detail settings, yeah, we can go back to check the rendering video. All right, yeah. So yeah, let's say it's totally the same. Okay, yeah, let me just leave here. For example, after we get the get the customized landing in here, so we can continue to do the images rendering or do the video rendering. So we also quickly to click this button and this button to enter to the video or the image rendering page. All right, and yeah, let me save this. All right, so yeah, for example, after we save all the scenes in here and to do the every shooting image and shooting videos down. So yeah, let's check if we can do some extra scenes in the photo studio. Yeah, let me just go back to this page. All right, so yeah, actually we can do some post-processing settings for about the image. So let me just walk one example. Yeah, we all can do some material replacement and also some light beautification in here. So let me launch it here. And also, the material replacement also can do that. Let me launch. Yeah, let's make cost some time to launch to the corresponding page. Yeah, just wait for a few moments. All right, so yeah, this page is about the material replacement. So we can check when I put the mouse to here, it will choose. Yeah. So the logical for us to do the material replacement is about we can change the layer about the material. So yeah, for example, I don't like the service about this material, so I can choose that and select other materials and to replace that. Yeah. So just so the logical is about based on the material layer to change that to change that. Sometimes we may need this to beautify our image. And also, the lighting still launched, and maybe you can check some, also color platter. Yeah, we also can change some details, colors, properties in here. Yeah, and also we can crop, crop this image. Also, if we want to, yeah, create a bokeh in here, we all can, try to do that. We all can try to do that. All right, so yeah, in here we have already entered to the ambient brightness settings. So, but basically we have many settings in here, many properties in here, so we can just change that and to control this image. Yeah, something like this we can do, and we can apply to this image, or we can apply to all. And after we do that, we can exit this. And also we can add some photo watermark. Yeah. All right, so this is about how we can, what is this like extra things we can do, after we finish the photo studio. And so let me go back to here. And also the product which have already been shoot also can share to others and to do the cooperation shootings. So if you find additional and shell items, so we can choose the spot count which we wanted to share. And now is about shared studios. Actually, the logical is the same. If you still remember when we do the studio settings, we can save this studio as a private studio. So I can check. Let us check. I've already saved some studios from the public library, and these studios have already been set. And which contains some materials, some models, some video pads. So about these studios also can share to the corporation, share to the sub account. You just publish within corporate. That will be okay. And actually, I have already introduced the overall usage about the photo studio, and also there's some tips for us. So if for just about some models, if you wanted to test the model, so just test the model on the floor plan. Do not test the model on photo studio, because if we test the photo studio, it may cost there some compose. And the model logical, whether the model is fine or not directly, determines the degree of realism of the products put into the scheme. The higher the level of model details, so the higher of the level of model realism. So if you wanted to get a high quality about photo studio, so the models must be very detailed. All right, so that's all for the video studios tips and guidance. Okay, that's all. Thank you.